Hello friends, welcome back to the online course on non-conventional machining or advanced machining processes. Today in this lecture I will cover a remaining part about the chemical machining. So let's start with the process parameters. Okay, the parameters which are affect the performance of this chemical machining. Now generally there are some parameters which affect the performance of this machining, and these are types of type of agent, which type of your agent you are using for the chemical machining. That parameter is affect the performance. Also the temperature of the agent, okay, that also parameter affect. Then next one is the type of maskant, which type of maskant you are using for this machining, that also affect the performance. Okay, and the most important is method of applying maskant and method of circulating the agent. These parameters also affect the performance. The performance means what? Machining rate or etching rate, surface finish of your product, and the accuracy. And using this chemical machining, you will get the surface finish up to 0.75 micron to the 3.75 micron. Okay, so these are the process parameters. Now here are some examples of some of the chemically machined workpieces. Okay, you can see the beauty of this chemical machining, how fine part components have been machined using this chemical machining. You can see here this is a chemical machine components, and very thin arms or ribs are there. Okay, rest of materials have been removed from there, so you can make this type of components. And these are the files, rather not the thick sheets. Okay, you can see. Okay, and you cannot make these kinds of component by any other processes so easily as compared to other processes. Okay, say you can use screen printing or photoresist printing for these purposes, and you will not take too much time for dissolving the materials by the each end from that particular area. So once you have prepared the photo master or the screen for these particular purposes, then you can easily mask the component and then put it into the each end for the pre-decided or pre-designed time, and then let it be a machine, and you will get a fast or a high production rate chemical machine components like this. Okay, so these are some examples of the machined components which are prepared by the this chemically machining. There are certain limitations of all the process that we know the. Okay, same is true for this chemical machining process also. Okay, the first limitation that only few metals can be machined, because I have shown to you already that the etchant available for certain materials like copper, aluminum, iron, etc. Now, for every material or every alloy, you do not have the etchant available. Okay, so this is a limitation. Also, especially in case of alloy, the problem will be multiplied, because different each elements of the alloy will have different chemical dissolution rate. Okay, and as a result of that, you will not get the good surface finish of the machine component. And then there are the evolved gases, and these evolved gases will give you the non-uniform machining rate also. Okay, and then they also will create the problem. Okay, it will lead to the uneven material removal, and that will attack the surrounding equipment also. Okay, that is also limitation. So that is another point one has to keep in mind, that whatever gases are evolved, they should be exhausted from the area where this chemical machining process is taking place, because this will attack the equipment surrounding to the chemical machining setup. Also, more importantly, the operator, more importantly, is the operator and the other persons who are working around this setup will also get affected, because it is not an environment or environment friendly process. Okay, in the sense that all gases will have adverse effect on the that skill, the worker or the operator. Okay, again, definitely material removal rate is very low in this particular case as compared to say electrochemical machining. Okay, further agents are usually corrosive in nature. Okay, agents are usually corrosive in nature and toxic in nature. Okay, that is why I just mentioned that they are harmful to the surrounding equipment as well as the operator. So all these gases whatever are evolved should be exhausted through proper exhaust system out of the working area, hence harmful to the surrounding equipment and the operation and differential machining of the alloys. Okay, that will lead to the poor surface finish. That is why I have just explained. Okay, so these are some limitations. Okay, so we have to take care about these points also. Now I will explain applications of this chemical machining process. So for producing complex configurations in delicate parts, we can use this chemical machining. Again, the most important, we can use this chemical machining process for aviation industries, for making aircraft wing panels. Okay, again, to manufacture very thin laminations without burr, we have to use this process. Again, the most important is for the PCBs, that means printed circuit boards, jewelries, turbine engine, uh, contaminant rings, again pressure vessel bulkhead. For this manufacturing purpose, we can use this chemical machining. Okay, some sheet metal component can be or are manufactured by chemical machining. Okay, now the again another application is the chemical milling. Okay, chemical milling is what the materials is removed to produce the bland details, okay, like pockets, channels, etc., or to reduce the weight. Okay, for that is chemical milling. And another application is the chemical blanking, okay, which is used for production of the through cavities, through holes, slots, etc. And also this chemical blanking is used to blanking complete by chemically itching that periphery of the desired shape. Okay, so these applications are important in concern with this chemical machining process. Okay, so here I have shown some references from where I have taken this all the data I have studied. Okay, so you can refer these references also for getting more information, more knowledge about the this chemical machining. Okay, so to get more updates about the new latest videos, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and you can follow us on this channel. Okay, don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you very much.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription, you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.